I welcome all of you on platform of Europedia Education, where we are providing you series of videos on post-gate counseling on those activities. So this video is for those of you who have got a good score. I mean, if a good score, if I define, that is 750 plus for general category, 700 plus for OBC, EWS, I can say 550 plus for SCs and 450 plus for ST. If I put you broadly in that category, you will be in the good gate score. That is what how I define it. Now for this gate score, normally the mistakes students do, they keep certain things in their mind that I will apply only in these four departments. Because when I call and talk to the students, many students, majority of they say कि sir मेरा gate score was 830 and मैंने कट ऑफ देखा, उस कट ऑफ के बेस पे मेरे को ये IIT मिल जाना था and I applied only in this IIT. So you should not do that. You should not try to save money in application. Believe me that maybe I will ask you to spend money for applications, more applications, because more you apply, the probability of calls is more. Because if you apply only in 2 and 3 places, but suppose you don't get selected into that, then your score may remain unutilized. So if you've got high score, you should again optimize your high score into selections. There are so many departments. Like suppose you have got a 760 score, you may get call from NITI, but you are at the border. I'm talking about general category 760. You may get call from IIT Bombay. Let's say you have planned, okay, I want to go to IIT Bombay in my own core branch. You may get call, you may not get selected. So how to overcome this? You should have couple of things in your mind, like okay, NITI में मैंने अप्लाई करना है, दो केस दो जो वहां पे प्रोग्राम्स हैं. I am to apply in IOR Bombay, I am to apply in ISC, I am to apply in core branches. Even then you should have couple of options with you. You should have certain departments in your mind where you want to apply, and you should try to optimize your gate score. The meaning of optimize is like, on this score, this is the best I could have obtained, and this is going to give me the best career. And best career for us means best placements. Listen again what I said. Whatever gate score you've got, 760, 780, 930, 940, whatever gate score you've got, you should try to optimize that gate score. What is the meaning of optimization? You should try to convert it into best option. And what is the best option for us? Best option for us is in the form of placements. That is what we want, and placements, wherever we get best placement, we should try to get that. That is largely is the thing in the mind of people. And there will be some of you who will not think of placement, they will think of higher education, doing PhD abroad or something like that. So for them, optimization means which course should I join so that I get the best PhD with the scholarship abroad or something. For them, optimization will be meaning this. So whatever gate score you have got, add your CGPA to this, attach your background to this, and think that what best you can get in this. This is the best thing I can get. This is what I want after that. So this is the best thing for me, and I should try to chase that. And for chasing that, what you need to do is you need to basically apply more. You should not hesitate in applying. So whatever score you have got, you should apply more. Don't be very stingy about नहीं ऐसा मेरे को तो बॉम्बे चाहिए तो मैंने बॉम्बे में दो ही डिपार्टमेंट में भरा. This is the most common mistake students do in this range. I mean, those who have got high score, they say अब तो कुछ मिल ही जाएगा and they stop applying. Don't do that. You should apply. Don't say कि मेरे को तो सारा IIT बॉम्बे चाहिए तो मैंने IIT बॉम्बे ही भरा था, मैंने और कुछ भरा ही नहीं. Don't do that, because if you do that, then opportunities will be curtailed. So hope I have made my point clear. Keep on coming. I'll keep on coming and keep on telling you various other aspects of this, and just follow it so that we can convert our score into career. Thank you.